Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find privacy and policy on CapCut. So all you have to do is, this is a CapCut mobile version before we start. But if you want to, or if before you use any application, any software, especially from your phone, you have to read privacy and policy. You have to learn about privacy and policy to protect your data before you use the application. For example, you can learn the privacy and policy in this CapCut application. Just tap the setting button at the top of your screen. Try to search terms and policy here. You can tap it, and this is privacy and policy. Here you can learn about the privacy of and policy applies to the CapCut mobile software application. So you can learn about what information that CapCut collect, about information your profile, blah blah blah. Please read carefully before you use any apps, and especially these CapCut apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.